This is the view I had when I was a little boy, looking up at my dad's beard, reading me a story when I was trying to get to sleep. I'd look up at his beard, and sometimes if there was a particularly good bit in the story, I would reach up and tug at it. My beard's not quite so long, but maybe one day it will be. Over time, I get more and more like my dad. As a teenager, you think, oh, I don't want to look like my sad old dad, him with his big bald pate of a head, and now, moving upwards, you see that I'm getting more like him. And that's something that at first you might be horrified by, but over time you get used to the idea that that's maybe not such a bad thing. And then when you look in the mirror and it comes down and it shows you that your face maybe is becoming more like his face for all its cragginess and imperfections, there's a nice feeling in thinking maybe I look more like my dad than I wanted to, and maybe that's a lovely thing.